What do you see as the future of Yiddish?
Tough question. I think, I really, really believe it, that it's an urgent mission to translate and to translate and to translate and to do good translation into English and into Hebrew so that the culture and the literature can live. I don't assume that even people who study Yiddish in these summer courses and they don't make it their life profession, they will not read the whole body of literature. And I think that if we want that this body of literature will remain alive, it has to be translated into Hebrew and into English. This is a holy mission. If there is a holy mission, this is it. This is it. This is a treasure, a cultural treasure, that if it is not translated, we will lose it. I mean, as much I understand that people say, oh, okay, unser Liebe Yiddish, was wird sein. But, I mean, you can't rely on people being able to read books in Yiddish. And what we need is good if we want to keep this culture. And this is a really, really Jewish treasure. If we want to keep it alive, we need to translate it.